He's top of A. He's top of A.
Retard, I'm at bottom mid, now I'm at top mid. You only fucking callouts? Nigger.
Oh my god, he called himself out. What a scrub.
Nigger!
Oh my god, he's in pit. He's in pit, I swear.
Now let's go.
Oh, he's going on cat. He's going on cat.
Shut the fuck up, nigger. I hope my fucking friends in the clan get you.
My band teacher got arrested for sex on a teacher.
Anytime anyone asks me how it's hanging, I'll say it's hanging like futuristic exile in the tree after you lynched him. What are you laughing at, nigger? You're next.
Fine night?
I'm laughing at your CSGO skill.
You need to start blessing up. Let's go.
Oh. What's up, nigger? I don't appreciate your kind to my Christian server.
Mustaches, why didn't you kill me? Wow.
Wow.
Behind you.
Shut up, nigger. I don't take commands
That
from
was
your
a harsh
kind.
word. I'm actually white myself.
I am also white, but at least I'm not a fucking nigger.
Oh my god.
Now let's go.
Now you.
Culito. Boy. Boy.
I think you want to start kniffing people. Watch out, I'm part ninja.
Shut up, nigger. You said, I think you meant to say part nigger, not part ninja.
Oh,
you
you
know
know
what?
what?
As long as you have one black person in 8 generations of your family line, you're a nigger and we're gonna lynch you.
Turn around. Faggot.
Shut up, nigger. I don't appreciate your kind. You're screaming your fucking monkey language.
He is black, I know where you live.
Go back to Africa.
Are you mad I'm doing better than you by kniffing almost?
Ooga booga, go back to Africa, you
Now
nigger.
let's go.
Shut up, you monkey nigger.
No.
Hi guys.
Shut up, you monkey nigger. Get out of my server. I don't like your kind here.
Kick.
Shut up,
Shut
you
up.
monkey nigger. Stop screaming your monkey language. You can't understand you. We can't understand you. Go back to your country.
I'm
Now
actually
let's
white
go.
myself, so I guess we can become best friends.
Let's
I
raid
just
me.
no scope that chicken. No scope.
Shut up, nigger.
To no
I
one.
can't understand your monkey language.
Now let's go, ghetto.
Let's go, mustache.
How many times do I need to tell you? I do not speak monkey nigger.
Hey, I was knifing people.
I can now speak monkey nigger. Now let's
I'm
go.
sorry, I didn't hear you in that monkey tone because I don't speak monkey nigger.
Let's
I'm
go.
leading you by kniffing.
Everyone know Jacob in chat.
No scope.
Everyone type I don't speak monkey nigger in the chat. Just don't type it in monkey nigger, then I can't understand it. I don't know if you typed it right.
I can understand because I'm an asshole.
You guys want to join my clan?
Yeah.
No.
No!
Get out. Putin.
Now let's go.
They know me for my one.
Oh, what's the
Alright, Putin. That's it.
Dude, just say fucking Putin.
Putin, Putin.
I eat about 10 pounds of food in a day. Poopy.
Alright!
Sounds like a monkey nigger word.
No, that's banana.
Yeah, your family came up with it.
Shuffle.
I once was a nigger.
Can you get your skin
was Michael
bleached like
Jackson.
Michael Jackson?
Do you know who else used to be black?
Michael Jackson. Oh,
No.
Mike Tyson.
Yeah.
Kevin Hart?
No.
Oh, wow. That's
Everyone used to be black. They all came from Africa.
But then we
But it's okay because once
Don't
people
do it, I
got
have a
bleached, we
native.
found out the difference between the regular people and the monkey niggers, and we just separated those two races
Don't
to
kill me.
evolve
Don't- if
from the
you're a
monkey
faggot,
nigger
don't kill
state
me.
into a state of enlightenment.
Wow, you're such a faggot.
Now
Well,
let's
I'm
go,
a faggot,
yellow.
I'm not a monkey nigger like you.
Don't do it, you faggot.
Nigger faggot.
What's that? I'm sorry, I don't speak monkey nigger.
It's your upper lip. That's what it is.
Now let's go.
No. No.
Boy, your hair is probably greasier than McDonald's French fries.
It is greasy because I wear a hat 24/7. What are you gonna do about it, you nigger? At least it's not puffy and fucking curly like your fucking piece of shit afro.
Shut up,
There's
little
a
faggot. Where do
reason
you get that
people used to
petroleum jelly
straighten
put in your
their hair
hair?
so it looks
Everybody
like us. It
calm
looks
down.
racially
I'm
pure.
pretty
Unlike
sure we're
you
all
monkey
African
niggers.
American.
Now let's go.
No, it's you.